So dear children, beta, in last class I taught you how to find the how to solve the pie chart questions. Okay, again I am showing you the same solution I have done now in your copy, and in that time it was difficult to teach you in blackboard how to draw the pie chart. Now today in a copy I am showing you how you will draw the pie chart for the solution whatever we had done at that time. Okay, now see that beta, this was the question. Okay, players and run scored by them, and we made three columns. In first column we have written the name of the player. In second question, run scored by them. Okay, and then we find the angle. Here we have given the total value, and how we were finding the value means a central angle for the each player, individual value upon total multiplied by 360. So in this way, by the calculation for the same 60 upon 300 multiplied by 360, 85 upon 300 multiplied by 360, and so on, we find all the angles, and then we check that whatever, if their solution is coming equal to 360, it means our solution is correct. Now in today's class I am teaching you how to draw the pie chart for this solution now. Okay, so see that how we will draw the pie chart now. See that now. First of all, what you will do, take any radius and draw a circle. Okay, in this way draw a circle beta, as I am drawing. So in this way we have drawn a circle. Okay beta, now see that after drawing the circle, now make a radius. Okay beta, make a radius. This is your center O. From here we have drawn the circle, and make a radius in this way. From the center join the circumference, this will become your radius. Now by the pen I am drawing so that it will be visible to you in this way. Okay, yeah, this. Now beta, take this as base point, base radius, baseline. We have drawn it. First angle we have to make 66 degree. So 66 degree is possible by the protractor. See that how I am making this pie chart. This is main important things now. Okay, so this is beta your 0. Okay, now 60 is here and 66 will be here somewhere. This is 66. Okay, so now join this beta in this way. Okay, it will become 66 this way. Now next angle is of beta 72. So now how you will draw 72? Turn your copy in such a way, okay, and then keep your protractor again here. See that how I am keeping protractor in this way, and this is your, now this line will be covered by this line. This is baseline. Okay, so here in this way, and second value was 72. So make an angle of 72 now beta. 70 is here, and 71 and 72, this is your 72. Join this one also from here in this way. So it will be 72 degree. Okay, then in this way the circle will be divided into the segments. Third is 102. Now again turn your copy in this way. Okay, and make this line as your baseline. Okay beta, see that how I am drawing. Okay, and make an angle of 102. This is 100, okay, and 101 and 102. This is your 102. So join it by here from the same point. This is O, okay. So this angle is 102. Third angle is of beta 55.2. So 55.2 is not possible in your protractor. So you just make an angle of 55 and write it as 55.2. Okay, because after 55, 51 comes. After 50, 51 comes, because these are divided into 10 line segments, 10 parts. So 51.2 is not possible. So 51 we will make. Okay. So now this, turn your page in this way. Okay. And keep your protractor in this manner and make an angle of 51, sorry, 50, and this is your 51. And write it as 51.2, because by the protractor it is not possible. Okay. So again I am checking it. Yes, it is 51. Okay. So write it 51.2. Okay. And the last one which will be remain, it will be 64.8. It will become 64.8 degree. Okay. So in this way you have seen that we can draw the pie chart. Maybe everybody of you have understood how we will make pie chart. Now what you will do, beta, you just write that player A, B, C, D, E. From here we have started A, B, C, D and E. And now give them different color. Suppose you have drawn color red here and black and green and yellow and any other orange. In this way you can draw the pie chart. Here I am not drawing the color. Color is your part. Okay. Again, now question number 4 is that Atul secured the following marks in different subjects: English 54, Hindi 61, Math 78, Science 53, Social Science 54, and total is given to us 360. Make a pie chart representing his marks in the various subjects. Okay. In the same way you are having question number 5th also. 5th I will not do that. 5th question you will do yourself. Okay. This 4th question I am doing myself. See that how we will do this question. Okay. First of all, I have make the table in the same way: subject, marks and angle. Okay. So subject I have written here. Then marks are beta 54, 61, 78, 53 and 54. Okay. Now we have to, and the total is given to us 300. Okay. Now see that beta, we have to find the central angle for the each value. How we will do? For this I am writing one formula: individual value upon total, means whatever total of the individual values given to you, means this one, multiplied by 360. This will become as a formula. Now see that individual value is how much beta? 54 upon 300 multiplied by 360. Okay. And in second one, finally we will calculate them. Second one, it will become 61 upon 300 multiplied by 360 degree. Okay. So we will see the central angle for it also. 78 upon 300 multiplied by 360. So, and fourth one is 53 upon 300 multiplied by 360. Okay. And finally 51, 54 upon 300 multiplied by 360. Okay. Now we are finding the values of these one, that what it will come. Now see that. So beta, see that I have calculated, because the calculation it is difficult. If I will show you the calculation part, it will take too much time. Video will be will become longer. So I have not shown, because calculation everybody of you can do. So in first part it is coming 64.8 degree, then 73.2, 93.6 degree, 63.6 and 64.8. If you will add them beta, then their sum is coming 360 degree. So it is mean it is okay. Okay, now we have to draw the pie chart for this. Now see that how I am drawing the pie chart. Again one more time I am showing you how you will draw the pie chart for this information. Okay, so in this way, first of all draw a circle. First step, draw a circle of any radius which is convenient to you. Okay, don't make a small, very small, because it will not be very much clear. So better is that take up at least this much of bigger circle. Okay, now see that beta, this is your center. From this center make a radius in this way. Okay, now see that from here first angle is beta 64.8. 64.8 means near 65 I will take. Okay, but I will write it 64.8. okay, it will be 64.8. okay, then turn this page, copy in this way, and make this as your baseline by covering it by the protector line. Okay, zero line in this way, and draw make an angle of 73.2 means 73 degree, 71, 72 and 73, this one. Okay, so make it and write it 73.2, because accurate calculation is not possible by the protector. Okay, 0.2, 0.5 is not possible by the protector. Okay beta, so it will represent English, this will represent Hindi. Okay, make them by the different color them. Now again turn your copy in this way. Okay, third angle is beta 93.6. So make an angle of 94 here in this way. See that how I am making. Keep your this protector line over covering on this line in this way. Okay, so make an angle of 93.6. so near about 90. See that here. Okay beta, so make accurate in this way, join it here. So it is 93.6. Which subject is beta? This is maths. Okay, third one is 63.6. So again turn your copy in this way. Keep your protector here in this line in such a manner beta, and 63.6 mean near about 64, you just make it. Okay, 64. .6 degree. Okay, and write it 64.8. Obviously it will remain that, because the total is complete angle at the circle, center of the circle is always 360. So if by measuring you are making, obviously the last angle will remain whatever you required. Okay, whatever value you require. So it was maths, third one is science. Okay, and it will be SST. So it was, so you can see that this was your center row. So in this way you can draw beta pie chart. Maybe I am hoping that everybody of you have understood how to draw the pie chart. Okay, now question number, which one, fifth one is also like same. Okay, two questions I have shown you how we will do. Question number fifth, beta, you just try yourself and do that question in your homework. Okay, because pie chart is a very important topic. Big question will come from this part. Okay, now come to the that is last question. This time central angles are given to you. Okay, I am going to show you that question. Beta, see that. Now question number last. It is, this question is different than the, not difficult, it is different than the previous question we had done till now. See that, beta, the pie chart in figure shows the marks obtained by Ankit in various subjects in monthly test. If total of his marks is 450, find. Okay, this time you have to give one central angles. Previously what we were having the individual values and the total, and we were finding this means central angle, and then we are drawing pie chart. This time pie chart is given to you and you have to find this individual values. Okay, and I generated one formula for you so that you can understand that. Okay, beta, maybe everybody of you have understood what is the difference between this question and the previous questions we have done. Okay, so I will try to find the question like same so that you can practice with the help of the this question. In your book another question is not like that, but I will try that. I will send you one question. Okay, one or two question if I will find. Okay, so that you can do those questions. Okay, beta, now see that what we will do in this question. This time central angles are given, pie chart we are having, and we have to find the individual value. I generated one formula, beta. Okay, I am just telling you how we were finding previously central angle. This time central angle are with us. Okay, and we have to find the individual value. I make one formula for you. Individual value upon total multiplied by 360 degree is equal to central angle. Central angle. Okay, this time central angle is given to you. We have to find individual value. So we are finding that individual value is equal to central angle multiplied by how much, this total will go there, total. Okay, upon 360 degree. So this will be our formula. Okay, individual values we have to find. So individual marks we have to find. So what you will write that I have not made that pie chart. Already pie chart is given to you, so you draw that pie chart in your copy. I am not making, it is given in your book. Okay, now see that, beta, how we will do. Individual marks is equal to what it will be, central angle for that subject. Okay, central angle multiplied by total, whatever total of the individuals comes, divided by 360. For example, for science 90 degrees there. Science 90 degree angle is coming. Okay, so how you will do? Marks of science is equal to marks of science is equal to, okay, beta, central angle is 90 degree multiplied by total is given to you 450. Total is given to you na 450. Okay, maybe it will be visible to you na, 450 multiplied by 360 divided by 360. Okay, so this and this will become cancel. 94 ja sorry, sorry, don't make this 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0, 90 will 4 times it will cancel, so it will be 450 divided by 4, and what answer will come? 4 1 ja 4, 4 again in 5 you will make 4 1 ja 4, then 10 will remain. Okay, see that 450 divided by 4, 112.5 it should come. See that 4 1 ja 4, then 5 will come down, 4 1 ja 4, 5 minus 4 1, then this 0 will come, 4 2 ja 8, then 2, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, so it will become 112.5 marks he will get in science. Okay, see that now in another subject how much marks he will get. Second angle, Hindi is 36 degree. Hindi have central angle 36 degree. So marks in Hindi, marks of Hindi will be 36 multiplied by 450 divided by 360. 36 10 ja 360, 0 and 0 will become cancel. How much? 45 marks he will get in Hindi. Okay, now which subject next? SST. SST 54 degree is given to you. Okay, so marks of SST is equal to, how you will do? Marks of SST 54 multiplied by 450 or divided by 360. 360 why we are dividing? 360 means central angle. Okay, complete angle of the circle will be of 360. That's why we are dividing it. Okay, see that now. By the 9 it can be cancelled. 9 1 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, and 9 6 ja 54. Okay, and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So it will become 45 into 3 or divided by 2. So 45 into 3 divided by 2, 135 will come. If you will divide it by 2, you will get 67.5 marks in SST. Okay, now come to the maths. For maths, central angle is given to you 108 degree. Okay, now what will be marks of maths? What you will write? Marks of maths is equal to 108 multiplied by 450 total or divided by 360. Okay, so see that 0 and 0 will become cancel. See that now. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. By 3 it can be cancelled. 3 3 ja 9 or 1 or 3 6 ja 18, 36. 12 3 ja 36. So it will be 45 into 3 will become 135 marks. 135 marks in which subject beta? See that, maths. Okay, 135 in maths. Now the last subject is remaining, that is English. And for English you have to given central angle is 72 degree. So marks of maths is equal to 72 multiplied by 450 or divided by 360. Cancel them. 36 2 ja 72 na, or 45 2 ja 90. So you have to given the total of marks of the total, you have to given beta 450. So you have seen that in science you got 112.5, in Hindi you got 45, in SST you got 67.5, and maths 135, and sorry, last one was English. It was English. Okay, marks of English is better 90. Okay, so if we will add them, see that how much science is equal to 112.5. Hindi he got how much? 45. Then SST, he got 67.5. Then Maths 135 and English 90. If the total will come of 450, it means our solution is correct. See that we are going to check it now. Beta, if you will add them, see that 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, plus 7 15, plus 5 20, carry 2, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 3 16, or 16 plus 9 25. Okay, carry 2, 2 plus 1 3 or plus 1 4, 450 is coming. Okay, it means our answer is correct. So in this way, if the central angles are given to you, means pie chart is given to you, then how you can calculate the individual values or individual marks or individual runs, whatever is given to you, I have shown to you. Okay beta, so in this way you can complete, means both you are having two types of questions in pie chart. One, individual values are given to you by the calculating total. If total is given to you, then it is okay. If it is not given to you, then calculate the total and find the central angle and draw the pie chart. Two questions I have done of from that kind. Okay, that type of question. In the next category, pie chart was given to us and we have to find the individual value. So I have shown you how you will do this kind of question. Okay, so along with that beta, I will try to provide you the PDF of the chapter, whatever we have done till now. Okay, so you just complete till there, and in next class we will learn the chapter probability. Okay, means next part of the topic is probability. We will try to understand probability in our next class. Okay, till that, thank you and have a good day to all of you beta.